Guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my exercise for belly fats. Ito sa araw-araw na exercise ko. Na 100 counts ko ginawa. Pero ngayon guys, dahil alanganin ng oras, hindi ko siya gawin 100. But you can do this 100 or more. Gusto mo talaga makita ang result ng exercise mo, ay damihan guys. Dahil kahit anong exercise mo, araw-araw kung saglit lang, wala, hindi mo talaga makikita na nag-lose weight ka at saka balanced diet na rin guys. Okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching and please follow me. I'll see you on my next exercise. Kasi gusto kong gawin yung mga ginagawa ko na picture pang thumbnail.